Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you a sports exterior and interior look. 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black interior. Sunroof. Rear spoiler. E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Burl walnut trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, glass black center console, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging and USB ports, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 27,821 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.